If your Fireplace firebox is rusting, you gotta act fast to keep it safe and looking good without breaking the bank. Rust in your firebox can spread and mess up how well your fireplace works, so start by cleaning the area with a wire brush to knock off loose rust and dirt. Next, wipe it down with a damp cloth to get rid of any dust before it dries. Once it's dry, grab some high-temperature paint made specifically for fireplaces or grills, because regular paint just won't cut it with the heat. Apply the paint in thin, even coats and let each coat dry completely before hitting it with another one. If you spot any parts that are seriously rusted through or flaking bad, you might need to replace those sections instead of just painting over them. That's safer and more effective. Also, keep an eye on the firebox regularly, especially if you live somewhere humid or rainy, since moisture speeds up rust. To help prevent future rust, try to keep the firebox as dry as possible when not in use by using a fireplace cover or closing the damper tightly. Doing these simple things can save you from expensive repairs and keep your fireplace cozy and safe. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Fireplace firebox rusting is ignoring it until the damage gets out of hand, which makes repairs way more expensive and complicated. Fix this by inspecting your firebox at least twice a year and tackling small rust spots right away with cleaning and high-temperature paint. Another common issue is using regular paint or household cleaners on the firebox, which don't handle heat well and can peel or cause toxic fumes. Always choose products made for high heat. Lastly, some folks skip replacing badly rusted parts, thinking paint will hold everything together. But that's risky because structural damage can lead to safety hazards. If rust has eaten through metal or weakened parts, get those replaced by a professional. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around with safety when fixing fireboxes or any other home projects. For contractors, it's a solid way to find clients who need skilled work done without wasting time hunting for jobs.